Yep, just good. Okay, now give her the whole long line. Take that leash and harness right off of her. Good girl. Okay, and just put it wherever up there, or I'll take it. Okay. So here we go. Let her smell it, investigate, and we're going to go walk around for a minute. Okay. Let me take the lead for a minute, and okay, and I'll show you how to use this tool. Okay. Good. Now I want her to investigate. Okay. Good girl. Okay, so we're gonna walk around. I'm gonna take her, okay? Good girl. Watch your feet. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That's funny for today. Okay? Keep it recording. Let's walk around. Okay? We are going. We're going together as a pack. And she is going. Now, you can keep a bunch in your hand and keep it off the ground. Dog training,
I just want to keep it off the
you
ground.
get dirty. Yeah, I mean, but you don't have to, because I want her to have the whole leash. I want her to learn. I've got 20 feet now. I want her to explore. Okay? Good. And we're walking. Yeah, don't say anything. Let her mouth the leash. Let her do whatever she wants. And you're just going to keep going. She's got the whole leash. You'll give her gentle pops. If she comes your way like that, you tell her, good girl. And we walk, right? So we got another dog up here, right? We're always scanning. We got someone up here. And I want to watch her response. You're always scanning. We've got a very timid, fearful, insecure dog. You can let her investigate that cup for a second if you want. Good girl, right? This dog's never been on more than a 6-foot leash. So here we go. We got a dog walking up here. Good. Looks like she's going to poop. That's okay. You can get him after. She just heard the dog shake its collar, which sucks because she was just about to poop. Good sit. Good easy. Do you have any kibble on you? Good. Give her a piece of kibble. Right in her mouth. Adjust your leash so she can't run over there. Get a bunch of leash in your hand. Adjust it. Hurry up in case she goes. And you just keep it right there. Good. Hold it. Good. Okay. Good. And now we go. Okay. Good girl. Right? Okay. There's a 12-year-old dog pulling on leash, anxious, not okay. Not what you want to train. You keep walking, and the dog, you'll hit the end of the leash, give it a little pop, pop. Little pop, pop. Good girl. Okay, stop, because I think she's going to poop now. She's getting ready to. Good girl. Let her investigate all this stuff. Good. Oh, wow. Look at you. Right? Let her be a puppy. Okay? Paws and jaws. Good girl. You know, good easy, right? All that stuff. Good girl. Good girl. Good potty. Good potty. Got a piece of kibble? Good potty. Pay her. Good potty. And let's go. Let's go down this way. Good girl. Good girl. No, it happens. It's part of dog training. We walk around it and we go. And she's got the whole leash, right? Good girl. She comes your way, you thank her. Good girl. Let's jog a little bit. Let's see what she does, okay? Just real easy. Good girl. Good. Good girl. Yeah, don't say a word. Good girl. Good girl. And that's enough. I just wanted to see what she'd do, and now we're back to walking. Good girl. Yep, good job. Yeah, this is a great little neighborhood, Mom. Yep, she can go wherever she wants. Good girl. Every time she looks at you, don't worry about any of that stuff. She's a baby. Good girl. Wow. And now let's just turn around and go the other way. Don't say a word. She's going to follow us, or she's going to, good girl, right?
Good girl.
Woohoo! If she stops to smell, right, she's got plenty of time. If she wants to smell here, she can smell for 5-6 seconds before we hit that 20 feet. And then she's going to feel the whoop, and you're going to help and on off, right? Pulling is not good. It creates a dog that wants to fight it. Try it for a second. If she fights it and hunkers down, pop, pop, pop. As soon as she comes, good girl. Get ready. Good girl. Oh, you're a good girl. Okay.
Good girl.
Good girl. Yeah, let her go wherever she wants. Let her smell. She'll learn she can have a few seconds to smell, and we're going. And you're watching. Get ready. Good girl. Woo, good girl. Good, exactly. Yeah, don't worry, don't even worry about any of that right now. And let's go back this way. What's she gonna do? Good girl. Yeah, that's okay. That's what good girl. That's what happens when you don't comply. You get all tangled up. Life is not fair. We need to bring her out of her shell. I want, woohoo, good girl. All right, let's jog again. If she comes, tell her, good girl.
Good girl.
Yeah, let her do all that right now. Don't worry about it. Okay, and that's good. You can stop now.
Good girl.
Good. And we're going to go a little bit further. Good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. So she just went in to initiate play with me for the first time, right, Mom? Oh, you're a good girl. Oh, you're a good girl. Oh, you're a good girl. Have you been around this part, of course? Okay, good. So this is all great stuff. Okay, so let's turn around and go back. If she comes, good girl. Oh, good girl. Woohoo. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Good girl. Oh, you're a good girl. Yeah, I know. Oh, you're a good girl. Oh, whew, good girl. Yeah. Once she comes out of her shell. Yeah. And she's a vocal dog, too, as we just saw. Right? So, all stuff I've got to learn about her. Right? Every dog is different. And don't even worry about her mouthing the leash. You know, these guardian dogs, they like to... It's a puppy. Okay, now we'll go the other way real quick. And now go back the other way. See, it provides enough discomfort for her to drop it. No, now she's just holding it like it's her job, which is fine for now. This is just desensitizing her to me. And I'm not a boogeyman. There's nothing to be scared of. If you do want to punish that, I would recommend it. We'll talk about that later. But right now, this is for her. If that helps her soothe and she enjoys it, that's fine. Okay, now we got to try to get a poop out of her. So where would you normally poop? Okay. So this is what I'd do. I would shorten this down to like 10 feet. And is this abandoned or what?
No.
Oh. So you
None
just...
of them around here are abandoned. I just pick it up when she's done pooping.
Okay. So you see how it turns into a battle and stuff?
Yep.
Right? So I would address that. I'd give her we'll talk about that tonight. Right? Okay. So let's get her mind off it and trot around and see if she'll... Still holding it. Oh, look at you. Okay. Good girl, honey. Oh, you're a good girl.